In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock 1.8 Plus content on Telegram iPhone. On iPhone, unlocking 1.8 Plus content in Telegram can be tricky because of Apple's App Store restrictions. By default, Telegram hides sensitive or adult content in channels and groups on iOS, even if you enable it elsewhere. To access such content, you need to adjust your account settings through Telegram's web version. Since the iPhone app itself doesn't give you the option, start by opening a browser on your iPhone or computer and going to my.telegram.org.login with your Telegram phone number and confirm using the verification code sent to your app. Once inside, navigate to your privacy and security settings. Here, you should see an option called Disable Filtering or Sensitive Content. Enable it to lift restrictions and allow adult content to show up on your account. Once this is done, the changes will sync across your devices, including your iPhone. If you still can't see restricted channels, it may be because of Apple's strict policy on iOS. In that case, many users get around it by either accessing Telegram through the web browser or downloading Telegram X if it's still available in your region, which sometimes has fewer limitations. Another alternative is to use the desktop app on Windows or Mac, where Telegram does not apply Apple's restrictions. Keep in mind that these restrictions are in place because of Apple's content rules, not Telegram itself. That's why Android users have the sensitive content toggled directly in the app, while iPhone users need to rely on workarounds through the web or desktop. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.